Greene County, Western Rock County, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:35 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near New Glarus to near Winslow, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Evansville, Broadhead, Belleville, New Glarus, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Newton, South Wayne, Browntown, Attica, Cooksville, Juba, and Avon. This includes the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.